Look at the vintage Coke stuff. Still got this bottle opener.
I like it.
$8. I do like it though. But I think I like this one better though. There you go, Al. $2.99.
That's not bad.
Or $5.95. I think it's $2.99.
Yeah.
How much are these?
15.
Oh, okay. Yes. $30. That's so cool though. Look, it's even got little pieces of Coke product.
Cute.
Look at that. I do like that. Down here. There you go.
There we go.
Wow. What? Round the building. I guess I get handicapped or fixable. We win it, that's the problem. Look at those. And I love how they come in okay. That's cool. That?
Yeah.
It's like a fuel rod size. Oh, gotta go up again.
Yep.
This flight or windows.
Characters in flight.
Character flight.
Yeah.
Planet Hollywood. So, we got an international flight at the Coke store, and we're gonna try them. The tray one's on top. One's on top.
This one.
So this is
One.
okay. Let's go.
This one.
Okay, so what's one?
Number one. It's Stony
Takeover.
Wheezy.
From where?
Tanzania.
There it goes. How is it?
Eh,
How is it?
it's not bad.
Yeah? It's not. It's got a weird taste.
Almost tastes like gum.
No.
No.
I can't describe it. It's familiar, but I can't describe it. What's
This
number
one
2?
is Fanta Exotic Fruit Punch from Uganda.
From Uganda. Fruit punch can't be that bad.
That's really good.
Is it? That one's not bad at all. We might as well finish that one. Number 3.
Is Bonbon Angelis from Madagascar.
From Madagascar, what's it called?
Bonbon Angelis.
Bonbon Angelis, maybe?
Yeah. That one tastes like bubblegum.
Oh, it smells like bubblegum too. Definitely. That's the bonbon.
Number 4 is Sunfilled Mint.
Sunfilled mint from where?
Djibouti?
Who probably murdered that? How is it?
Minty fresh.
Oh, I smell the mint.
Uh-huh.
It smells like mouthwash.
I know. It's not bad.
And tastes like it too. Well, you can swallow that. You gonna finish it? She's gonna finish it. So she liked that one. No. But that one still got.
Okay.
Okay, number 5.
Number 5 is Minute Maid Enjoy Apple.
Oh, that sounds good. How does it smell?
Apple-y.
It does smell apple-y. Here it is. Kind of looks like apple juice.
Uh-huh.
Tastes like apple too.
You like that one?
It's not bad. Huh?
You gonna finish that one?
Might as well finish it. It's not really fizzy.
No. I'm gonna finish the bonbon one.
She's gonna finish bonbon.
You gonna finish this one?
No, just keep it. What's
Keep it for a change.
what's number 6?
Fanta Apple Kiwi.
Fanta apple.
Kiwi.
Kiwi. Looks very green.
Oh, you can taste the kiwi.
That's what it looks like. This is the Fanta apple kiwi. Wow. You can taste that one. Let's save that one first. That was number 6?
Yep.
Okay, number 7.
Smart watermelon.
Smart watermelon.
China.
China? Smart watermelon from China.
Taste the watermelon.
That's not bad though.
No.
Number 8 of day 1 is
Thumbs up
from
from
India. Is it a thumbs up?
Thumbs down.
Thumbs up to thumbs down?
Yep.
It kind of smells like cola though.
Yeah.
It tastes kind of like coca-cola does.
But with a weird aftertaste.
Yeah.
Do we want to skip trade 2, number 1?
Moving on to tray 2.
Tray 2, number 1.
Beverly. We have never tried that before.
Oh boy.
Come through.
Bottoms up, people.
She loves what Beverly. This smells Beverly.
Yeah.
Yep, still has that cough syrup taste. Yeah.
Hold that for a second. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do it.
I need some regular Coke.
I got this one. Third chaser.
Okay.
There we go.
She's gonna down it. Beverly, here it goes. Do you need a chaser?
Got one right here.
Okay. Beverly, not good. Not good. Even here, not good.
Nope.
Excuse me. What's number 2?
I need a moment.
She needs a moment.
Aquarius Libre.
What is it? Where's the farm?
Spain.
Spain. Aquarius Lido from Spain. How is it?
It's horrible after Beverly.
Smells like Sprite.
Yeah.
Smells like Sprite. Not terrible.
It tastes horrible after I downed that Beverly.
Not terrible.
It's Sprite with lime.
Yeah. Next.
Okay. Use tea with berries. You might not like this one.
Tea? Oh no, it's starting to rain.
Tastes like raspberry tea.
Yeah, I don't like tea.
Try it.
You know, surprisingly, that's not good. Where's that from?
Georgia.
That's
Not the country, or the state, the country.
Georgia? This is Georgia country?
It's apple pear.
What's this one?
It's from Germany.
Banana fruit, apple pear?
Yep. That's not bad.
What's this called again?
Banana fruit, apple pear.
From
Germany.
Germany. Where we're from.
Blech.
You don't let it. I don't really like that.
I don't either. Okay.
So,
Number 5. Lift manzana.
what?
Lift manzana.
From Chile.
I can smell the apple.
All I really wanted is a piece of money.
Ooh, I like that.
This is magenta.
Apple green.
But at least I got you, and you got me.
It was like one drink left. Okay, we got 3 to go.
Santa Clarita from Costa Rica.
What? Santa Clarita from Costa Rica.
That one tastes like bubble gum. I like it.
Not bad. Not bad at all.
I still taste the Beverly.
Yeah. Number 7.
Inca-Cola from Peru.
Oh.
Inca-Cola. I think we tried this.
Inca Cola from Peru. How is it?
What is with the bubble gum?
What is it? How is it?
It's good.
Yeah? Bubble gummy. Then we got 1 left. And it's Delaware Punch from Honduras. It's Delaware Punch from Honduras. Down the hatch. Oh, it's more like a juice. So, what do you think? of it.
There were a couple that I couldn't
We did them all. We drunk all of them.
We drunk them all, but
Even Beverly.
I'm gonna get sick.
We're gonna have to keep this
Yeah.
because
Hope we did it.
I don't know if explain. So overall, what do you think of it?
I thought it was
Good experience?
Yeah, good experience.
Cool.
850.
850 at the Coke store and down Disney Springs. I still want to call it downtown Disney. So keep that little envelope.